Hi guys, this is from Dragon Ball Legends, the twin Saiyan, Giblet and Charlotte, and their friend turned out to be the villain, Saha. So these two, Charlotte and Giblet, is twin brothers, twin Saiyan brothers. They are the first Saiyan to obtain Super Saiyan God. So I just made them their base form. By the way, this is a 3D print, and I painted it because I cannot wait for Bandai to release the HG Gashapon for these figures. So here it is, my custom Charlotte and Giblet and Saha figures.